Welcome back, and please like or subscribe to support the channel. And an exciting development for you in this episode as we get all this clutter out of the workshop and up onto the roof. In an attempt to reduce our monthly outgoings, we've decided to fit solar panels. And we've got a local firm, GGRS, to come and fit them for us. And they've put up scaffolding, so at least we can get a good look at it. So that was our south-southeast and our west-southwest facing roofs. Oh, so that stings a bit. We use around 4.6 kilowatt hours of electricity each year. However, we do have around 20 square meters of usable roof, so that should house a 5 kilowatt system. However, you will notice a shadow from next door's roof and also the soil stack from our ensuite toilet and the flue from the gas fire in the living room. And that means we need to connect them a little differently. Traditionally, the panels will be connected in series in a long string. If a panel is in shade, only producing 50% power, the whole string only produces 50% power. So instead, fitted to the back of each panel is an optimizer, which is basically a DC to DC converter which adjusts the output voltage of each panel to most efficiently produce the power. So inside my workshop we have these new bits of tech. First is the inverter, and this gathers the direct current DC and some data from the solar panels and converts it to alternating current AC. Next we have an AC charger, although this is really a power management system taking power from the grid and the inverter and also this 5 kilowatt battery pack to supply the house with AC power. In the event of a power cut, the panels are driven to output 1 volt each as a safety feature. All this tech connects to our Wi-Fi. On a cloudy day in October, you can see we are producing around 2.5 kilowatts. Our battery is about 57% charged, and we are exporting a little bit of power to the grid. Yes, that is our electricity meter running backwards, at least until we get our new smart meter. This next page is from the inverter, and this is awesome. This is the power output of each individual solar panel. We estimate that it will take between 7 and 8 years for the system to pay for itself. However, the panels have a 25-year guarantee, whilst the rest of the equipment has a 10-year guarantee. Big thanks to Phil and his team at GGRS for the install.